Hello everyone. Good morning to all. As requested by many of the participants, I'm doing this video for first round presentation. What all should be there in the first round presentation? Already a PDF file is shared in your WhatsApp groups. Please go through it. As I don't have much time, I'm making it as a video. Okay. So the PDF says first slide should have your team details, right? So team leader name, your team name can be anything. Okay, so what you have given in the registration form, that team name, your team lead name, and team details, team members names. Why? Because whenever we give the certificates in the last, those names only will get reflected. So give your team members names and your names properly. That is your first slide. Coming to second slide, problem statement. Okay, so let me take one example for explaining all these things. So what example I have chosen is forest fires. Forest fires means అడవుల్లో చాలా సార్లు మనకు తెలియకుండానే ఈ హై టెంపరేచర్స్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఎండిపోయిన చెట్లు ఉంటాయి కదా, వాట్లకు ఫైర్ అంటుకునే ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, దానిలోనే ఫారెస్ట్ ఫైర్స్ అంటారు, రైట్? సో నౌ ఐఎమ్ చూసింగ్ forest fires as a problem statement. Okay, so now what they are asking you, they are asking you to explain the problem statement. Whenever you explain any problem statement, you need to do some survey on it. How many people are affecting due to this problem statement, right? And what is the loss percentage due to that problem? As I said, I have taken forest fires. Due to forest fires, so many animals, so many birds, so many herbal trees, so many teak trees, like that there is so much of loss happens whenever this forest fire happens. Why? Because in the forest no one will be there to take care of these things. So when do we get the news about the forest fires? After 2 3 or 4 days, sometimes 1 week, after 1 week. Why? Because uh, they are situated in so many kilometers and people will not be there, so the problem is so high. So I need to address that problem. Why? Because so much of life is going to get affected, and so many trees are going to get affected due to forest fire. Carbon dioxide in the air will increase. See, are you understanding how I have taken the problem and I am explaining the disadvantages of that particular problem? You need to do that. Whatever problem statement you have chosen, you need to explain this. Okay, at the same time, one survey says that every year, let's take even our Sri Sailam, Tirupati, there are these are all forest lands. Every year 500 to 1000 crores of loss is happening. Okay, see, I said one thing, life is going to affect animal life, tree life, everything. At the same time, I am giving the amount also, 500 to 1000 crores of loss is happening, right? Now, whenever you explain these kind of disadvantages in that problem and how many are affecting and how much amount is getting waste due to that particular problem, what happens, examiner will get interest in that problem statement. Yes, he is addressing a right problem in the society. Okay, this is the example for problem statement. Why this problem statement also I have explained. Why? Because so much of amount loss is there, so much of animal life, tree life, bird life, everything is getting wasted. So that is why we have chosen this problem statement. Your second slide consists of this. I mean, if you put percentages, if you put values, this will be adding value to your presentation. This is about second slide. Coming to third slide, existing solutions of problem statement. The problem statement which I have chosen, forest fires. Still there is no products in the market, but so much of research is happening in universities, in foreign universities, international as well as national universities. So many research labs are doing research. Okay, there are one or two products which are in Spain. Okay, who have developed a product and they kept it in forest, that too only testing purpose. So for the problem statement which I have chosen, there is no product already available, but research is happening. Let's suppose you have taken one problem statement which has already product which is existing in the market. You name about it. Let's suppose if you are working on traffic monitoring systems, there are so many surveillance cameras. Okay, so surveillance cameras, attach it to cloud, attach it to artificial intelligence. If you want to develop, then you should tell there are already surveillance cameras are available in the market, but we are adding these features to that. So this is what you have to tell. In the third slide, existing solutions. Okay, this is surveillance camera is there, surveillance camera with artificial intelligence is there. Surveillance camera with human detection as well as animal detection is there. These are already existing, but you want to propose something which is not there in that. That will come in the next slide. So existing solutions, if possible, you name the companies also. That will again add value. Whenever judges select your presentations, they will specify, I mean, they will put more concentration on these things. Existing solutions, at the same time, which company is proposing that existing solutions, that should be added in your third slide. Then coming to fourth slide, your solution for problem statement. As I mentioned, forest fires. So there are a few products which are developed in the research laboratories, but all of them are doing with artificial intelligence and data science. What I want to propose is, let's put some sensors like temperature sensor, humidity sensor, gas sensor, pressure sensor. These kind of things I want to add, and then I want to add artificial intelligence feature also. So that is the new thing which I am adding to the existing things. Existing things are only artificial intelligence, but I am adding IoT, internet of things, to it, so that it becomes more robust. It can cover more area. That is what is my proposal. So your solution for problem statement should consist of this kind of answer. And then difference between your solution and problem statement, you can obviously tell why, because you have already mentioned existing solutions. So for the example which I have taken, existing solutions are only artificial intelligence and data science based, but my solution has IoT plus artificial intelligence plus data science. So the difference will be, it can be identified before only. With artificial intelligence, after 2 days or 3 days they can identify, but with my IoT sensors, within half an hour I can identify. So this kind of presentation you have to make in your 4 slide presentations. Okay, I think I have clearly explained this video. If you don't understand it, watch it for 2 times or 3 times. You will definitely understand. You have your mentors, take their support. I am always available, but I'll be busy in so many things. But always approach your mentors so that they can answer your question. People who don't have laptops, you use your mobile phones. You can send us a PPT presentation, or on Word file, or on PDF. No problem for us. Okay, a few people think that, sir, we don't have proper English knowledge. Don't worry. In whatever, I mean, there can be n number of mistakes in the problem, in the presentation. We are not looking for your English. We are looking for your concept. We are looking for your problem statement and the solution you are giving. Please keep this in mind. No English, nothing. We are looking for your problem statement only. Okay, so don't worry about your English also. Try to participate. Don't give up. At any time, don't give up. Try to participate. Try to submit your presentations on the times. That is why I have given 2 days for every round. First round will be there for 50 marks. Second round will be for 50 marks. There is no elimination till second round. After second round, we'll combine the marks. Whoever gets more marks, they will be going into third round. About third round, I'll be giving it in the later stages. Thank you very much. All the best. Be good engineers.